Good day everyone. Today we're gonna look on the typical arithmetic sequence, or we may say pattern. We gonna attempt the question that is on the board. Normally such questions, they may be of grade 12. However, we may also find it in grade 11. Without waste of time, let's begin our class today. Given an arithmetic sequence or given an arithmetic pattern, they can either say pattern or sequence. Sometimes it can be also series. When we say series, meaning there are plus or minus in between other than having the commas. But whenever there are these commas, then it will be now a sequence or a pattern. Given an arithmetic sequence below, 0 sine x 1, find the value of the second term. We have to find the second term of the arithmetic sequence below. What is it that we have to do? Number one, we have to know that for arithmetic sequence, it will have the constant difference. It will only have first difference. It doesn't have second, unlike or like the one of quadratic. Then let's do it. It will be 0 sine x 1. These are the terms. Then they will have the first difference. First difference, it will be this t2 minus t1. It will be sine x, knowing that sine x minus 0 sine x. Then for the another difference, it will be term 3 minus term 2, which is 1 minus sine of x. But now, for the fact that we are told that it's arithmetic, meaning the difference will be the same. Here, we are going to equate the two. It will be sine of x is equals to 1 minus sine of x. Now, let's group the like terms. Let's take the terms which appear the same, or the terms that have something in common, and group them together. We take this to the other side. We can apply additive inverse, or we can either they just say transpose, but doesn't matter what you say, but the important thing is how to write, or what is it that you are writing. They won't call you to say come and explain what you did. But however, if you were to explain, we apply additive inverse, meaning we add sine of x both sides. Because it's negative, we are going to add the positive. Then adding the positive, it will be this side, we add sine x, it will be 2 sine x. This side, when we add sine x, it will be 1, or 1 will say transpose. Taking this to the other side becomes positive. We have sine x plus sine x, which is 2 sine x. Divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, then x is equals to half, sine x, sine x. Then we are going to say x is equals to sine inverse of half, let me write it clearly, sine inverse of half. We press calculator here. Even though we don't press calculator, we know that from the special angle, the sine 30 is half, meaning sine inverse of half is 30. But we don't need to worry much, just press calculator, you get 30 there. But the question did not say find the value of x. They said find the value of the second term, meaning we have to find sine x as a whole, not the value of x. But if we were to find the value of x, we could have went further. But in the meantime, we cannot go further. Yes, we go further, but in that instance of finding another, or in that instance of finding alternative x value, what we're going to do here, just take this x, plug it there, which means it will be the second term t2 is equals to sine of x is 30 degrees. Then t2 is equals to half. However, it was not a must for you to complete all these steps. In case if you had, or if you have got no idea, you could have went through this and take the value of x, put it there, you get this. Can you see that this and this is the same? You could have from here just say T2 if you wanted, but if you didn't say that, you can also continue up to this. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye.